Check this out. Look what fits on the back of my e-bike. I want to tell you about this Bluetti EB55 portable 537 watt-hour lithium phosphate power station that has a built-in 700 watt pure sine wave inverter that can be charged via portable solar panel, and it can charge your e-bikes, charge your power tool batteries, heck, power a TV and fridge in your underground bunker, wirelessly charge your phone and charge all kind of other stuff, or just simply use it as a backup power source when your electricity goes out. I'm going to show you in this video. Stay tuned. Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today. Down here in my 20-acre Georgia country estate here. Absolutely awesome down here. And guys, I have an absolutely epic product that I want to share with you guys. I just recently picked up here that I use exclusively to charge my e-bikes with solar power. This is a solar generator. I mentioned this in a previous video. The reason why I really love this thing right here is because it comes, you can buy separately here, SP200 fold out solar panel here. This folds out, and then you can connect it to the solar generator, and it charges it in about 5 hours or so. But you can actually do more solar panels if you want to charge it faster in as little as like 2 hours. It takes up to 400 watts of charging power. By the way, this solar charger does have lithium phosphate technology, which is considered like the forever battery. You can literally charge and discharge this battery up to 2,500 times, and it will still retain 80% capacity, which is amazing. But this thing has 12 outputs on it here. It has a built-in 700 watt pure sine wave inverter here, and this is what I use to charge my e-bikes. Actually, this charges my Sur-Ron X, believe it or not, but it uses almost the maximum 700 watts to do it. And this has a wireless charging port on top, so it makes it 13 outputs. You just put your phone on top here, bam, charges your phone. And it also has a USB-C 100 watt output and USB-A, 4 of them outputs here, so you can plug your MacBook. This covers up to, like I said, 3 amps for the USB-A. It's got DC output, 13.3 volts here. It's got 10 amps it supports up to. As far as charging this, you can charge it, like I said, via solar here, or with the DC plug. If you want to plug this, plug it into your car cigarette lighter up to 8 amps, and it also accepts AC/DC right here. It's got the AC/DC plug in here. You can plug in both solar and the AC/DC charger there, so you can have up to 400 watts fully charging this, so it will charge super fast. And the display here will tell you the input power, so when you charge this up via solar, it'll show you how much power is coming in to charge a battery, and it has output power as well. Another thing that's really cool with this here is that you can turn this around, and it has a light. It has a low, high, and a SOS. This is really awesome because you can use this as backup power should the grid power go down. Like I told you guys, times are crazy right now, and who knows, our grid power may be affected, and you may need solar power. I'm telling you guys, you need to prepare now. This is an excellent product to start off with here. It's not expensive. I think I have a link to both of these items in the description and comment section of this video. This, I think, is like $4.99 right now, and there is I believe $100 coupon if you click on the link that I have below, and the SPV200 $4.99 with a $30 coupon if you click on the link. But it will return its value over time. Like I said, if you have e-bikes like me and you don't want to run up your electric bill with your house, this is an excellent option. This will completely charge his battery up. And of course, I'll sit this out in the sun at the start of my workday, and at the end of my workday, this thing is fully charged. But this thing has so many uses. And also what I love about this is that, I'll use this for my power tool batteries. As you can see here, like my blower or my chainsaw or whatnot. So I'll swap out a battery and throw this on the charger while, say, I'm cutting some trees and I want to swap out batteries. I'll throw this in throw this on the charger here, plug it in. This has so many uses. You can plug in your refrigerator. I'll take this on my bug out moto van trips. So, you know, if I have any issues, you know, power failure with my solar system in the van, I can use this as backup. And also I could take this on camping trips, which is really awesome. Like, that's why I tell you what's awesome also about this folding hay bike here is which I have a link to in the description and comment section of this video as well, is that actually you can put this solar generator on the rack that comes with this bike. Strap it on there, and that way you can go camping with it. And if you bring, you know, the portable solar panels here with you, you can put this in your tent. You can fold this up at night, charge this with the solar generator at night while you're sleeping, so it's fully charged by the time you wake up. And then you can throw the solar generator on the solar panel charger here, so that the sun powers, recharges the solar generator, and then you have this as transportation, so you get free energy. And also it serves another great use for my underground bunker here. So if a tornado, a storm comes, or hey, I just want to hide out in my underground bunker, I could take my LED TV down there, and I could watch my TV down there using my solar generator. I mean, this solar generator has a lot of uses, man. Definitely out here in the country, sometimes our power will go out, so it's definitely nice to have the backup generator. I can throw, you know, plug my refrigerator into this, and bam, it'll keep my food cold until the power comes back on. So far, guys, I put this to the test for over 2 weeks now. I've used it to charge my e-bikes. I've used it for LED TV, for my power tool batteries, charge my phone. And I'll tell you guys, this thing has been flawless. I haven't had any issues whatsoever. Now, I did try to plug in a vacuum, and that didn't work out because it only covers up to 700 watts output. So it did work for like a couple of seconds, and then the fan came on, then it cut off because it couldn't handle the vacuum. They do make these in bigger sizes, by the way. I mean, you can get there's really big ones that can back up the power on your house. You might want to go check out if that's something that you're interested in. Like I said, if you want to get it, links in the description and comment section of this video, and it has a really sizable coupon you can get with that link. But anyways, guys, leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think about this solar generator. Guys, make sure to hit that little bell symbol there to get notified when my videos come out. Hit thumbs up, subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel, and also make sure to check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto. Thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.